bad for you though.
What's bad for you?
It's not a bad view.
No.
Like a hobbit town down there. So we've just been...
It doesn't get a lot easier.
No. No people. No fucking deer either. Yet. Wallaby. Zoom in. It's a wallaby. The farmers here regard them as pests. There's a few of them around. We're not going to shoot them because we don't want to scare any deer away. Well, 2 seconds after filming that wallaby, we stood up, started moving forward and stirred up a mob of deer. And I shot this one on the run at, I don't know, from over there, so what's that, maybe 200 metres, shade over, and fucking dropped them. That suit sight, which I really ought not to be using for hunting, it's not really a deer hunting rifle, but Jesus, it worked really well. So that's the result. Having seen nothing all morning, they were just somewhere in the back here in a little nest, 4 of them. Dave's just gone over to have Pecos head over the hill to see where the rest have legged it to. We took a couple of shots at the remainder, but they were flying, so good luck to them. But I was amazed. Led him by... It was actually a really good shot, if I say so myself. I don't want to be a wanker about it, but it was a snapshot leading him at 250, just a shade in front of him, and absolute kill shot. He just went straight down. Poor thing. So, Fairley, South Island, about somewhere near Timaru, and it's a lovely winter's day.
Here we are, first deer.
First deer.
Chest shot, dropped on the spot, never would have felt a thing.
Running chest shot.
Running chest shot, yeah, it was. Awesome shot actually.
Running, dodging.
Very good shot. Now we've got to carry her down to the bottom of that valley, just down there.
Dave the Butcher.
That's the backbone.
So these are the back stakes, yeah?
Yep.
We've already taken the hind legs off. I'd be doing this, but I just make a hell of a mess of it.
Yeah.
It doesn't, it doesn't freak me out or anything. I just don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Right, we've just nailed a stag. He's up on the bank there. Just trying to figure out how to get to him. As you can see, it's a wee bit thick in here. New Zealand bush. Okay. Back to where we were, you reckon? Just wade along. So we'll go and find him. Now, heroically wading across a stream. Fuck, this water's cold. And he's up there. See the cabbage tree there? He's just in there somewhere. That might be him, that blob of white. So we shot from back up here through the bush. Just saw him stick his head out and start ambling across, and we dropped him. Right, we found the deer. As you can see, at the moment we're on the side of a very steep slope running down towards the river. We fired from over there.
So we fired from, and here's the deer.
And what we've got is just
beautiful fallow buck.
Fallow buck, yeah. Good stuff.
Okay, here's the
Happy chappies.
Happy chappies. We've got a up the top there from about 180, probably 150 to 180 metres.
Butchery job.
It's the most work Ted has done for years.
This is true, actually.
That's good.
So this is Lake Tekapo in the South Island of New Zealand. Just a very, very, very mild winter day. Another couple of weeks and this place will be absolutely covered in snow. And we've been humping those hills trying to get some deer. Got one today, we'll get another one tomorrow. With any luck. Yeah, the light's just in the wrong spot.